Hey guys, it's Beckett the Fish back for another video. Today I am doing Tank Heroes of Laser Wars, and as you can see, I've played a little ahead, and I saw something and it's pretty amazing, and it's right here. And I've actually recorded a few videos today, but they were on my phone, so they can't upload to my channel. So it wasn't too fun. Well, I had a lot of fun, but it was pretty hard to do. Ooh, laser fight! Do I just... Oh my god! Oh, but they two-shot me, I'm guessing. Yeah. Awesome. I really like this game, and no one commented about it, so I don't know if I should keep doing it or not. But I will. Since no one said anything bad about it, then why stop? I'm probably gonna lose. Oh! I won that? That was insane. Oh, and Finn, these are strawberries. If you don't know who Finn is, he's my little bitty brother. And right now he's a little sick, so... And he liked it when I called the shield banana, so I'm gonna call the lasers strawberries. Yeah. Blast away! Blast away! Yeah! I got 1 star, but who cares? Okie dokie dokie. Double shot? Yeah, the cantaloupe. Cantaloupe! And what is it? Oh, pineapples. Huh. Someone told me that that would turn off ads. Whoa, hey, not fair. This ain't not fair. Come on. Pew, pew. Did I win? Oh my god. That's terrible. Lasers! Ooh, that was a fun level. I really enjoyed that. So I'll be ending when I complete 41. Cantaloupe? Yeah, cantaloupe. This cantaloupe. Oh, I died. Wait, what? How did they get in here? What? This is not fair. How do I even get in there? This is just not fair. Wait a second. I'm not very smart. I mean, I'm a genius, yeah. So smart. Next level. Bum ba bum ba bum. Ooh. Cantaloupes. That was intense, bros. I'm not even scared. I'm not scared. Why do you think I'm scared? I'm scared. This one's so easy. Definitely easy. Definitely an easy level. Help me. Lasers, lasers, lasers. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Who do you think is gonna win this fight? I don't know if I can win this time. One down, one to go. No. If he hits me once, I'm pretty sure I'm out. No! Oh, so close. Oh man, it's been 6 minutes. Whew, I didn't notice that. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, and if you don't know, I'm the green tank. This is a hard level. Oh, 30 man. Pretty sure it's the last level. But this is just on easy. No. If you thought I was ending this series, I love this game. I'm gonna do normal mode after this, then I'm gonna do hard, then I'm gonna do intense. Blam, blam, blam. Attack! Attack! Ooh. Oh, come on. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I moved my setting because someone commented I was too loud when I was on my bed. So, I moved my setting. Okay, bye.